The Thrive Plan was born out of my personal journey to not just survive, but to thrive when I lost a child and my will to live. Yes, I am Erica Kessie, a mom CEO of Your Goal Concierge, and I know that mom CEOs are struggling with burnout and a lack of tailored resources. The Thrive Plan offers a comprehensive solution designed to support her in achieving a healthier work-life balance. Our self-awareness assessment and operating system empowers her to identify triggers, coping mechanisms, and cultivate a practice of self-care and accountability to thrive. Paired with coaching, the Thrive Plan stands out as a proven method to enhance well-being and productivity. With your investment, I aim to work with Rimbin Gesso, a contracted software developer, to create and market a user-friendly application. Thank you.